Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check if Roblox servers report issues, because a server outage changes everything. Once done, restart your router and the device to clear transient network states and plug into Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi drops. Make sure any VPN or proxy is off. These reroute traffic and often trigger connection errors. If your firewall blocks outbound ports, briefly disable it while you test. This isolates local filtering versus ISP or server problems. Next, dig into network and client diagnostics to fix persistent errors. Start by flushing DNS and renewing your IP to remove stale name records. This often restores correct routing. Then clear Roblox cache and reinstall the client to replace corrupted files and force fresh connections. Make sure Roblox uses ports 80 and 443, and that UDP 49152, 65535 is allowed on your router. Port blocking causes session failures. Continue testing between each change so you know which step resolved the issue. For final resolution, confirm whether the problem is local or external by testing on another network or a mobile hotspot. If it works there, contact your ISP. Make sure your Roblox account isn't restricted by bans, region locks, or simultaneous login limits, because account-level blocks mimic connection errors. If none of this helps, gather logs, exact error codes, and timestamps. Then contact Roblox support. A single troubleshooting tip: try a different device. If that connects, focus on device drivers and OS network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.